friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese sticky rice. In Cantonese, it's called Loh Mai fan. Before we begin, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to use 1 cup of glutinous rice. This is not the same as sushi rice, and it's not short grain rice either. This is long grain glutinous rice, and when you cook it, it becomes very soft and sticky. I am also going to be using 1/2 cup of long grain jasmine rice. I use 3 links of Chinese sausage and 4 dried shiitake mushrooms, as well as a 1/4 cup dried shrimp, 3 stalks of green onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Oops. Rehydrate the dried shiitake mushrooms by soaking them in warm water for 2 to 4 hours until they become nice and soft, squishy. After washing your glutinous rice, cover it with cold water and let it soak for 30 minutes. The dried shrimp need to be rinsed and soaked in warm water for 15 minutes. Next, we'll wash and drain our jasmine rice. No need to soak it. Chop up your Chinese sausage, green onions, and garlic. When you're chopping the green onions, separate the white part from the green part. Next, we're going to small dice the shiitake mushrooms that have been rehydrated, as well as rough chop the dried shrimp. Don't throw away the soaking water because we're going to use that to cook the rice. Then we're going to saute the white part of the green onion for about 30 seconds until they start to smell nice. Add the garlic and give that a little mix. And then add the diced Chinese sausage. And keep stirring that together for 2 or 3 minutes. Dried shrimp. Give that a mix. And the chopped shiitake mushrooms. Mix that around for another 30 seconds or so. Smelling really good right now. Finally, we're going to add the washed rice in. And give that a mix. Next, I'm going to add the sauce that we made earlier and give that a good mix. Keep stirring because you don't want the rice to start burning and stick to the bottom of the pot. Smelling and looking so good right now. Once the sauce is fully mixed in with the rice, I'm just going to add the liquid, which I'm using the soaking liquid of the dried mushrooms and the dried shrimp. So don't throw that away. It's about 2 cups. Add enough liquid to just cover the rice. Put the lid on your Instant Pot and press the rice button. 12 minutes is the perfect time for this Chinese sticky rice, and it'll cook on low pressure for 12 minutes. Ooh, it looks good. So I'm just going to fluff it up with a spoon. Next, I'm going to add the green onions. And that's how we make Chinese sticky rice or Loh Mai fan in the Instant Pot. This dish has incredible umami flavor. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!